Good morning, everybody. I want to start us off painting, mixing colors this morning. And what I'm going to do is just walk you through a couple of my steps. And one would be cleaning my palette. So these colors I've used throughout the week. And because I want to walk you from the beginning, I'm cleaning my palette. So notice that one of my water glasses is pretty, it's getting dirty now. And then the other will be what I use to get the clean water. So I clean my brush here, and then I go and get the clean water here. I want to mix up some colors. So we're going to talk a lot about green for painting the green apples. Notice I'm making a puddle here with clean water. And I'm going to go get some permanent yellow light out of my palette, and I'm going to fill that up. I then clean my brush. Now I'm going to go over here and get some Viridian. This is mixing colors. I'm going to put this green right here, because if I put it into the puddle of yellow, I may contaminate it. And then all of a sudden it's just the wrong color. So I'm going to add just a little at a time. And you can see that this is becoming very lime-like. And I want you to see it on the paper. So here you see almost a secondary color, green. Now I can enrich that with adding more Viridian. And it gets darker. Two colors, everyone: permanent yellow light and Viridian. Now I'm starting to push it toward the mint. But all I did was add green. Now, let's take it the other direction and add more yellow. And it starts to go yellow, green. More yellow. So I just wanted you to see a little bit about mixing colors. Now let's take it back to our secondary green. There we go. This is our secondary green right here. I have not changed my colors. Now what happens when I make another puddle? I'm still mixing colors. And I'm going to go with vermilion. Vermilion is a red-orange. You know, it is really not red. It's a red-orange. And I'm going to take just a little of that and put it into my green and I get a brown. Now I can push it to a red, brown. I may not have enough paint, but there you see, let's get enough paint. So back to secondary green. Okay, there I'm pushing green. Just enough red in it to turn it cool in temperature. So let's go get a little of this, a little more. Notice how I go a little at a time. We're going to be using these colors in our green apples. We're also going to be using permanent yellow light and even a little bit of, I'm not sure, burnt sienna. Maybe. Not sure about that one. Nope, not sure about that one at all. But it does warm it up and it does look good with these greens. I'm not sure it looks good with the red mix. So maybe burnt umber. You know what I think? I think it's the Prussian blue mixed with Viridian. Yes, that might be it. So go ahead and play with color mixing and let me know how you're doing.